Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel. How to know? Today I'm going to tell you about the start of program on the Gate.io. So please be on this video and watch till end. So let's start. First of all, you need to log in the Gate.io account. After login in the Gate.io account, just you have to select go to these four dots. After going this block, you will see startup. You have to click on this option startup. After clicking on it, a page will be open where you can see multiple startup programs or startup tokens which are to be going to list on Gate.io. Okay, you can see here prime initial offering. If you see below, here multiple tokens are already in queue and already order is started. So just taking example, Solis. If I'm clicking here on the Solis, sorry, there is problem in net. Mm, let's try again by reloading it. It will work. Oh yes, it is started now. So you can see here, the deal is going to be end in 21 hours. Okay, so before it ends, you can buy or you can find any other tokens which are going to be listed on the Gate.io. As I told you that just you have to click over here and you have to click on the startup menu. After clicking, the page will be open. Here multiple tokens are going to be listed. Multiple initials are going to be listed over here. So just you have to click here and you will find below the founder. Is the founder of the Christian is the founder of the soul is Christian, and you can read out about the Christian over here and that start our requirements for the participants. Participants should register on the Gate.io and login, as I already told you. So for the sign up, you have to go in description section and you have to click on the given link to sign up and get 10% bonus on every trade value. After sign up, you will see after login in complete user identification. Then it been KYC verification. For checking the KYC verification, you need to go in more video I have uploaded on the KYC. So make sure you have NM balance of supported currency for the sale. No green check marks. We would be. Then sign the purchase agreement on the startup before placing order. And after that, wait for a startup open. Okay. Then just you have to wait for the startup open. Here you can find the countries not supported. Multiple countries are there. They are not supported this currency. And here is also mentioned the risk management warnings. So you can read about the risk of these tokens and all detail about this token you can find here. You can read here. You can understand here. So before placing, just you need to take a look on all the like these points mentioned here. So I hope this will work for you. So just go for the purchase. If you want to purchase, then click on the place order. After clicking, a page will be open. Just you have to log in your account and you have to click on the tokens which you want to buy. And after login, you have to place here, and an agreement of the token will be shown here. And you have to select I have read agreement and click on the submit. That you can see here agreement has been submitted. Then after you can place again order, and here you can see copy quantity, how much quantity will buy. If I would like to buy two copy, then I have to place here two, and then after I have to click at the place order. Okay, the order will be successfully placed after confirmation. Okay, but as you know, order price is $40, and I don't have any $40 in my account currently, so it will fail. Here you can see I will verify this. After clicking here, it will be verified, and this participation user will need to be VIP1 user. First of all, you need to be a VIP user on the Gate.io. Then after you can eligible to participate on this startup schemes. So I have already made down a video on the VIP user. Then you can find in the list of my video in my channel, and you can see it. So if any query, any confusion, then please write us. We will make a video on your confusion and on your queries. Thank you. Thank you for watching video.